me. You know, been a warrior, been a lot of things, done a lot of things, and I love you more than anything in this world. My life couldn't be complete unless you said yes. The Super Bowl Sunday, I'm asking you, will you marry me?
Yes!
Oh.
All right.